Hey guys, about a month ago I played against FIDE Master from Australia, the magician, John Curtis. He has 350 concurrent viewers, almost the same number as I have subscribers on my YouTube channel. And you know what? When I live stream, I have about 5 people live. My record is 20, and I needed to do crazy stuff to get my attention. But this man, I'm sorry, he just sits here in front of the camera and he has 300 concurrent viewers. Again, I will say it. He's the real Sigma here. I am the beta, but we played a game against each other. And guys, let's just check it out. Did I win? Did I lose? Write a comment before you check the analysis, and I'm just curious what you think. I've played a game against him and I wanted to analyze it. Why? I don't know. But I like to analyze chess games, and we played in the Italian, which I know zero theory of. I just know that you need to play c3 and d4. I mean, I don't even need to know this. It's not like a rule, right? But it just makes sense. You wanna fight for the center, and you're white. You want more center. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, you can watch this video that pops up there. But listen, I might have made a mistake here, because I played b4, but I should have gone a4, and the difference is, guys, let me turn on the maybe not. Listen, the difference is that after b4 he goes a5 and he's opening up his rook, and I don't like those exchanges. I don't want this to exchange because the c pawn is very important, defending the d4 pawn, d4 square, not allowing bishop to come here. But okay, I managed to exchange a little bit. I still don't understand why he didn't exchange those things. Probably because he wanted to avoid the passed pawn. But I believe it was not that important. Okay, and you know what? There's one positive thing that I just didn't think about. We have the c-file and the c7 pawn. Whenever you have the pawn on d5, which is kind of like blocking the c-pawn is a weakness. And that's what we focus on, and my opponent even helps me to do it. Rook takes c7. I'm a pawn up. I mean, this position looks super good. It's like King's Indian kind of, which I hate, but thanks to tactics, I'm not winning any material from the tactic, but the bishop has moved back and I have full control over the c-file. And I just place my rook there. Now I attack my knight. That's the problem. When you push your queen, when you push your pieces forward, when your opponent finds a way to defend, they will push this thing back, they will push this thing somewhere, and it's just gonna be a mess. And after after queen to h4, yeah, I play knight to f7, knight to d6. I could have. It was pretty cool, right? Knight to f7, giving a check, just to move back with a check again. But now with the rook check. I took the bishop. I mean, in a position like this, you just cannot mess up. You need to make sure that your king is safe, right? You can even bring your bishop here just to make sure there is no perpetual check or anything crazy. But I calculated everything and I played d6, d7. I mean, my threat is just more important. I promote my queen and I give a checkmate, almost. Knight to d6, this fork threat. Why didn't I give the fork? What is wrong with me? Whoa. But okay, he just took the pawn because, I mean, it was a very desperate position, and after f3 he resigned. So guys, thank you for watching The Magician. I'm open for a rematch if you want to play me. I'm up for it. You guys know that I'm up for a challenge always. And subscribe maybe. What? You watched this video, so subscribe. And see ya.